So in the first part of this chapter, we looked at addition reactions to the alpha position of carbonyl compounds, mainly aldehydes and ketones. Now we're going to look at additions to the beta position of carbonyls. These carbonyls are basically alpha-beta unsaturated systems, which we also call conjugated systems. And so let's see how these systems are conjugated and how these addition reactions happen. And so these alpha-beta unsaturated systems are resonance conjugated because these pi electrons are moved between the 1 and the 4th position as shown in these resonance structures. And it basically creates two electrophilic positions, one the carbonyl carbon and the beta carbon of the system. We can pick the nucleophile that would go to each of these positions. Something like a Grignard reagent, which is a very reactive nucleophile, would go right to the carbonyl carbon and make an alpha-beta unsaturated alcohol. Whereas a Gilman reagent, which is also called lithium diorganocuprate, would go specifically to the beta position because it's a not so reactive nucleophile. So it gives the system to rearrange with the beta carbon being positively charged, so the nucleophile can attack that position. And it initially makes an enol, which would right away rearrange back to the carbonyl. The first reaction ends up as a 1,2 addition reaction with the Grignard reagent, and the second reaction, addition to the beta position, is a 1,4 addition. The first reaction at the carbonyl carbon is a 1,2 type addition. The second reaction at the beta position is a 1,4 type addition reaction. The second reaction, the 1,4 addition type reaction, or the conjugate addition reaction, is an example of a named reaction called Michael addition. Michael addition is the 1,4 addition of resonance stabilized carbon ions. An example of a resonance stabilized carbon ion is enolates. Enolates, or this particular nucleophile that we used, the organocuprate, are called Michael donors. The electrophile, which is the alpha-beta unsaturated system or the conjugated system, is called Michael acceptor.